Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Alex Moxon for Racine County Weather with a severe weather update for our severe weather potential for this coming Thursday, April 9th. Today is Wednesday, April 8th, 2015. Alright, so let's start off by taking a look at our national radar view. This is as of 3:15 p.m. It's a little outdated. I'm recording this just after 4 o'clock in the afternoon on Wednesday. So it is a little outdated, but it is going to serve us a bit of a purpose here. So if I get out my laser pointer here real quick, you'll notice that pretty much all of Racine is, or all of Wisconsin for that matter, all of Wisconsin is dry at this time. No precipitation around the area. We do have some precipitation down in parts of Illinois. There is a severe thunderstorm watch in Missouri right now, I believe, if I'm correct. That goes into Illinois as well. So they are looking at severe weather potential over there, and that potential drags farther west and farther east as well. But what our main concern is right now is this nice dry area out in Colorado right now. That's our concern right now. Doesn't seem like it would be a concern, but we do have a low pressure system forming there, and that is going to bring us our potential for storms later on. And the National Weather Service's Storm Prediction Center has placed us in the enhanced risk of severe thunderstorms for day 2, which is Thursday. That we are in the 30 to 45% chance of combined severe weather events. I put 30 to 45 because we're right on the line. It's kind of hard for me to tell, so I just put both. You'll notice that they have placed us in the enhanced risk. Last year, you may remember that we had 3 risk categories: slight, moderate, and high. Also the general thunderstorm, but this year the National Weather Service has also added marginal, which is below slight risk but above the general thunderstorm risk. And they've also added enhanced, which is in between slight and moderate. So we are in the enhanced risk zone. There is also the potential for us to be moved up to the moderate risk zone as we move into tomorrow. I wouldn't be surprised if they do move us into that, but so we are currently under the enhanced risk. However, let's dive a little bit deeper into that. So here is the synopsis for what we're looking at for tomorrow's severe weather potential. 2 possible times of strong to severe thunderstorms, I think, for tomorrow. Before we get into that, though, we do have a chance of seeing a likelihood of seeing rain and storms overnight tonight. However, all of that should remain below severe limits. A bit of small hail is possible, but I don't think it will reach that severe criteria of 1 inch in diameter. So those 2 possible times of strong to severe storms, we're looking at midday Thursday and early Thursday afternoon. We just have a chance of seeing severe storms developing during this time. This would be along and ahead of a passing warm front. Typically, we don't see severe storms with warm fronts as much as we would cold fronts, but this one, there's the potential of seeing the instability in the air where we could see that. But I'm not looking at a big outbreak with this or anything, just this. There is a chance that we could see that. Don't count on it by any means. But our better chance will be late Thursday afternoon into Thursday evening when we would see that cold front moving through the area. That's when our best chance of seeing those strong to severe thunderstorms would be. Storms will have the potential of producing 1 to 2 inch in diameter hail, winds in excess of 60 miles an hour, which can cause significant damage, and tornadoes, and we also do have the potential of seeing some strong tornadoes as well. So do be aware of that. Low pressure placement is the key. We are currently looking at some question marks with this whole system, and I'll explain why right now. So this low pressure placement that I have so beautifully drawn on there for you, if you can't tell, that is an L, believe it or not. Yes, that is an L. So this low pressure system right over here, that in Iowa, that is tonight's placement. Currently it's out in Colorado, out beyond our scope of the map. So we have this beautifully drawn warm front and cold front. So our question mark right now, and this is going to determine whether or not we see strong to severe storms tomorrow, and if so, how much, is where exactly this low pressure system tracks. If it tracks right on over us, or even just to the north of us, then we are expecting a bit of clearing skies during the earlier parts of the day. And that's going to bring in some instability in our atmosphere. That's going to, the sunny skies will bring in the instability, and that's what's going to bring us these storms, what's going to allow these storms to develop. But if this low pressure system stays to our south, I expect us to be more cloudy throughout the day, so a better chance of us not seeing as many of these severe storms or as intense of these severe storms, if you will. And also, if this thing stays farther to our south, the warm front and the cold front won't quite be reaching us, won't quite be affecting us as greatly. So that would also mean that our potential for severe storms will be lower. So we do have a bit of a question mark on that, and we will be updating you tomorrow as we get more answers with that. A lot of this is the exact placement of this low pressure system tonight. So again, still a lot of question marks with this. I wish I could have these answers for you. I wish I had these answers myself. I don't. So, but I will have an update for you tomorrow morning, hopefully around 7 a.m. I'm not sure if I'll be able to do a video, but I will definitely get you a text update, if not a video update. So again, please be sure to stay tuned for the potential severe weather situation for tomorrow. As always, I thank you for listening and for liking Racine County Weather. I'm Alex Moxon. Have a great rest of your day.